Good morning this Wednesday, the 5th of October. I'm Grady Wolfe, a market analyst with Bell Direct. We're taking a look at global markets. Overnight in the US, the three key indices closed sharply higher at the end of Tuesday's session. The Nasdaq jumped 3.34%, the S&P500 added 3.06%, and the Dow Jones ended the day up 2.8%. Job openings in the US fell 10% in August, which is a sign that the tight labour market is finally starting to cool. In the UK, the FTSE 100 jumped 2.57% on Tuesday, extending the rally in the region after Britain's decision to ditch part of the controversial tax cut plan and cool expectations for aggressive central bank rate hikes, which returns some confidence to investors. Over in Europe, Germany's DAX soared 3.78% and the French CAC had the biggest gain of them all, up 4.24% on Tuesday. The local market soared 3.75% yesterday after the RBA's interest rate hike came in lower than the markets had expected. And in true big bank style, NAB was the first to pass on the full 0.25% rate hike to variable loan customers, but said it's constantly reviewing the rate hike for its term deposit clients. Taking a look at commodities, Brent crude oil prices have fallen 25% over the September quarter to $86 a barrel, the lowest level since Russia's invasion of Ukraine. Concerns of slowing economic growth and China's ongoing pursuit of zero COVID-19 cases remain and underpin a weak short-term demand outlook for crude oil. An OPEC Plus meeting is scheduled for today, with reports suggesting the organisation will consider cutting daily production of oil by around 1% of the world's supply to stabilise prices, which has sent Brent crude oil prices up more than 4% this week, trading at $91.457 a barrel this morning. Iron ore is trading flat at $98 a tonne. Gold is up 1.37% at $1,722 an ounce, and natural gas is trading 5.82% higher. Ahead of the local trading day, ASX futures are expecting the local market to open sharply higher by 1.4% amid the global rally and to extend on yesterday's surprise RBA rate hike decision fueled rally locally. On the economic data front, there is no local economic data released today. However, in the US, investors will be eager to see America's trade balance data for August to determine whether the world's largest economy continued importing more than it exported for the month, with the market expecting a slight improvement on the trade deficit to minus $67.7 billion US dollars. And now let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration today. Trading Central has identified a bullish signal on QBE Insurance following the formation of a pattern over a 15-day period, which is roughly the same amount of time the share price may rise from the close of $11.79 per share to the range of $12.80 to $13.10, according to standard principles of technical analysis. And Trading Central has also identified a bullish signal on Sigma Healthcare following the formation of a pattern over roughly a period of 16 days, which is roughly the amount of time the share price may rise from the close of 68 cents per share to the range of 77 to 79 cents per share, according to standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all for this morning. I'm Grady Wolfe with Bell Direct. Have a great day and happy investing.